When to use on. The most common usage of the preposition on is when you want to show that something is physically touching or covering something else. For example, the pen is on the desk. Rocky is sleeping on the bed. There is dust on the shelf. Dinner is on the table. The keys are on the counter. The ball is on the grass. I will mark it on my calendar. There is sauce on my meatballs. I'd rather have cheese on my meatballs. The text is on the screen. The preposition on is often used to specify days and dates. For example, they told me that the train will be on time. I have a doctor's appointment on Thursday. My parents are coming to visit on November 5th. I spent the day with him on Saturday. The concert will take place on New Year's Eve. We plan to visit the museum on the 3rd of March. We have a meeting scheduled on Monday at 10 a.m. The film premiere is on Friday night. The store will be closed on Thanksgiving Day. Please submit your homework on the due date. The flight landed on schedule at the airport. The movie will start on time at 7 p.m. The preposition on is also used to indicate something that is attached or dependent on something else. For example, her happiness depends on her attitude. The outcome of the game hinges on the final play. The plan is based on their approval. His job security is based on his performance. The success of the company relies on customer satisfaction. On can also be used to describe an event or situation or a moment in time. For example, we congratulated them on their marriage. They complimented him on his excellent performance. We gave them a gift to congratulate them on their new home. They praised her on her academic achievements. He supported them on their new business venture. He acknowledged her on her bravery. They honored him on his retirement. Finally, on can indicate the tool or method used to do something. For example, he wrote the letter on a typewriter. They calculated the figures on a spreadsheet. She created the design on a computer. I cooked dinner on a gas stove. You can measure the distance on a map. He wrote the code on a programming platform. They captured the moment on a camera. She composed the music on a piano. He edited the video on a computer program. If you found our video useful, please give us a like, subscribe, and share for more free lessons. Don't forget to click the bell so you can get notified as soon as a new video is up. For online lessons and classes, please check out our site at changinglivesenglish.com.